So we have here a motion problem, and the problem states a ball rolls off a 1 meter high table and lands on the floor 3 meters away from the table. So how long is the ball in the air? Okay, so like we did in the previous videos, we will always have step 1 as understand the problem. That means you need to know first what is given, or the known values. That is always what we recommend in the previous videos. All right, so let's check the known values. So the ball rolls off a table, so the initial velocity then is actually 0, and it's moving horizontally initially. All right, and it is also given that the height of the table, which is h, is equal to 1.0 meters. All right, and we know the constant value of the acceleration due to the gravity, since it's falling from the table, so gravity is involved. All right, so the acceleration due to the gravity, we denote it as g, a small g, and this is the constant which I want you to memorize. It's 9.8 meters per second square. All right, that's the acceleration due to the gravity. All right, so the horizontal distance is also given. The horizontal distance from the table to the landing point of the ball is equal to 3 meters. So this is not needed for the time in the air. All right, this distance of horizontal distance is actually not needed for the time in the air, which is the one required in the problem. However, this confirms that the motion of the ball is indeed a projectile, because it started at the table and it moves away 3 meters away from the table. So this confirms that the motion of the ball is indeed projectile. So step 2. All right, the step 2 is to remember the formula for the time in the air. So try to remember the formulas which you have memorized for projectiles. All right, and this is one formula for the vertical motion for a free fall from rest. So maybe you remember, or you can recall this formula. H is equal to 1/2 gt squared. All right, that is the formula that we will use to solve for the time of the ball in the air. And of course, the h is the vertical distance that's fallen. All right, and we know that because the h is actually the height of the table. That is the vertical distance that the height, or that the ball has fallen from the table to the floor. So that is actually 1 meter, right? So if we substitute the values there, so we have here 1 meter, that's h, and of course the gravity is 9.8, and the time is unknown. All right, and if we calculate this, we can actually solve the time of the ball in the air. And here you go. The time, if you take the square root of that, is actually 0.452 seconds. So that is the time that the ball has been in the air, or the time of the ball falling from the top of the table down to where it is 3 meters away from the table that's on the floor. All right, or if you have some questions, just leave a comment below. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. All right, I'll see you again in my next video. All right.